Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Algae Break 90. What is Algae Break? Natural Chemistry Algae Break 90 is a powerful algae preventative that treats your pool for up to 90 days between treatments. Should the worst happen, you can also use this product to treat algae outbreaks. Product benefits: kills and prevents blue-green, green, yellow, and black algae. Non-foaming, non-staining. Natural chemistry. Usage directions. Step 1. Maintain pool water in the pH range 7.2 to 7.8. Adjust pH to 7.2 for severe algae. Step 2. Ensure that filtration system is working properly and that filtration cycle is adequate. Step 3. A regular brushing program will assist in the removal of stubborn algae. Step 4. Calculate the volume of Algae Break 90 required for your pool. Step 5. Add the product directly to the pool, distributing over as wide an areas as possible. Step 6. While Algae Break 90 controls algae, it is important that adequate levels of sanitizer, chlorine, be maintained to control bacteria growth. Maintenance dosage: 16 ounces per 10,000 gallons of water every 90 days. Severe algae treatment: 32 ounces per 10,000 gallons of pool water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.